So a new sofa is here, guys. Yep. That shit look man heavy. You want me to go get the door for them?
Yeah.
Big. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, look at that. Nice tree. Looks like two.
Sit down. Okay. I want to buy.
Couch. So much box.
Hay que meterlo al mismo tiempo para que no se quede enganchado. En dos cosas que te vale.
¿Cuál es tu aquí?
¿Eh?
¿Entró?
Ajá.
So pretty.
Entonces,
No trajo más tornillos, ¿sabes?
yo no vi los tornillos, ¿no?
Ok.
No trajo, ¿no? Eso no me va incrustado. Nada de eso lleva tornillos. No me va incrustado.
So guys, that's our new baby. Yep. It's reclined. Yes, guys. It's reclining. Yep. It's perfect. Just sit down, watch TV. Yep, that's it. Guys, hi guys. So I'm trying out our new sofa. It's firm and nice. Let me try the recliner. Guys, it go all the way back. I love it. It's good. I could lay down and watch TV without, you know. This is only like one part of the sofa. There's more parts of the sofa, but we could just afford this one right now at the moment. So we'll get like a love seat and yes. So yeah, this is it for now. I love our new sofa, guys. It's so good. My husband is gonna try it out, but you know, he's the one recording me right now. So yeah, guys, I love it. Thank you for watching, guys.